So, data on trail here from day 0, and I think it's an auspicious moment that as I head to O'Hare Airport to fly down to Virginia to begin my 5-day hike on the Appalachian Trail for round 2 of my AT hike this year, that I get this beautiful sunrise as I'm rolling across I-88 Chicagoland. So I won't film a lot on day 0, but couldn't resist trying to capture that sunshine, that sunrise. So I'm gonna fly into Roanoke. Late Start's gonna pick me up. He and his wife are gonna host me for an evening, and then we're gonna head to trail tomorrow down to Woods Hole Hostel to Slack Pack, about 15 miles to get this hike started. So this is data. Heading to trail, thank goodness.